What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to use this gapping tool. First of all, this is an inexpensive tool. I bought it from Amazon. As you can see, it comes in inches and millimeters. So if you need to use inches, you use inches, and if you need to use millimeters, you use millimeters. So this is the gap opener. I'm gonna show you how to use it. First of all, you need to know your gap, the gap you are gonna be using. You can find it in your owner's manual. So I have here an old spark plug. You can see. Now I'm gonna show you how to use this. So just for you to know how to measure with this, you can see here in inches is 1 by 1, 20, 21, 22. Here is 025, 026, 027, and that's it. It's 1 by 1 here in inches. In millimeters, you can see here is 0.05 here to measure. For example, here's 1.0. This line here, right here, is 1.05, and right here is 1.1. Right here is 1.15, and that's it. You can see it's very easy to measure with it. To use it, you put it right here and you slide it, and when you feel a little resistance, stop there, and that's your gap. So my gap for my car, it's about 1.1 millimeters right here in this line. So let's see if it's correct. So as you can see, it's about 1.1 millimeters, but if you need a bigger gap, you need to use the gap opener. So to use it, you put it like this, and just with little pressure, you do it like this, and there you go. You have your gap, a bigger gap, as you can see. Oh, sorry. As you can see. Now it's about 1.6 millimeter, but you need to have caution with this. To close the gap, you only need to find a hard surface and just press your spark plug with that, like this, and that's it. You close your gap. So you need to have caution with this when you open this, because if you do it with a lot of force, I'm gonna show you what will happen, and then this is useless. As you can see, your gap here is too big, and you can't close that because you are gonna break this. So I hope you like this video. I hope this video was useful for you. So I'll see you in the next video.